Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever stood at the checkout, red-faced, as your debit card gets declined even though you know there's money in your account? It's super frustrating, especially in 2025 when banking apps are everywhere. Don't worry, today, we're diving into the top reasons this happens and how to avoid it. Let's get started. First up, one of the most common culprits is pending transactions. When you make a purchase, like filling up at the gas station, the bank puts a temporary hold on your funds. This hold might not show up right away in your available balance, so even if your account looks good, that hidden hold could cause a decline. It's like your money is there, but it's reserved for that transaction. Another reason is daily limits. Banks set these to protect you from fraud, but if you're trying to withdraw or spend more than your daily cap, like hitting an ATM multiple times in a row, your card will get flagged and declined. Always check your bank's app for these limits before big spends. Then there's security measures. In 2025, with rising cyber threats, banks are extra vigilant. If a transaction seems suspicious, such as a large purchase in an unusual location, your card might be temporarily blocked to prevent fraud. It's a good thing, but it can be annoying if you're in a hurry. Don't overlook technical glitches or bank errors. Sometimes, it's just a system delay or a processing issue on the bank's end. These are rare but can happen, especially during peak times or updates. Lastly, if you have overdraft protection turned off, even a small miscalculation could lead to a decline. Banks won't let you go negative without it. So, what can you do next time? Always double-check your available balance, keep an eye on your transactions via your banking app, and contact your bank immediately if something feels off. By staying proactive, you can avoid these headaches. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand your finances better, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.